Hi everybody, just working on the brute force here, wrenching, trying to get ready for another upcoming rally. Post Kennecook rally, we ended up getting into a shithole, ended up essentially swamping the brute force. So we've been going through the maintenance, been doing diffs, engine oil, final drive, getting her all cleaned back up. This is after about 3 washes. Everything's starting to clean up. We did the belt. I'm going to have a video coming up a little bit more in depth on that. We changed our air filter. Got this cleaned out, half decent. There was moss in here. I ended up getting the shop vac right in on top of the throttle bodies and, getting in there with about an inch diameter tube. Get it cleaned up just as good as I can. We're doing bushing over here. Bushings, I should say. Got a little goodie bag of parts here from Cowie. Front diff, we're using AMSOIL transmission and differential fluid. It's a GL5. Engine oil, we're running the synthetic 1040. It's going to start getting a bit colder here in Nova Scotia, so we're going to end up switching to a lighter weight synthetic oil. And this is what they recommend for the final drive. It's tractor hydraulic transmission oil. Just because of the wet brake that you have inside that final drive, you don't want to be doing any damage. So, knuckle on here. We had pulled this off. First battery got us to bolting it back on. Of course, my backup battery, it's dead too. So we do have it on here. I was going to run through the torque specs. We got 30 or 35 foot-pounds top and bottom. My torque wrench will do 36. It's maximum from Canadian Tire. So we got her dialed in here at 36 foot-pounds. 36 top and bottom. This is 195 foot-pounds for the rear. I believe the front's 145. Sounds outrageous. Sounds extremely high. I get it. That's what mine's torqued to. That's what I found on the forums online. It was a bit of a trick here because I got no one to hold down my brake, so I got it jacked up here. I slid my toe in underneath one of these lugs, and I reached around here and got a good click on the bar at 195 foot-pounds. We're going to slap the tire back on, we're going to load it up, and we're going to hit the road.